Hey, what's up everybody? We're hanging out in my garage and I thought I'd show you exactly what I carry as far as first aid and preparedness on my personal motorbike. I use the MyMedic Large. The size-wise for me fits perfectly on this. I always run a windlass tourniquet on the outside using a billy band. This is forever. This is how it looks like all the time. Let's check out the inside. So on page one here, so to speak, I've got medical stuff up front, life-saving stuff front top here, so chest seals, quick clot, EPB, compact gauze, that kind of thing. I've got some topical stuff in here. On this side, I have some just basic over-the-counter meds, everything from aches and pains to allergies. I do carry this in case severe allergies. I've run into situations enough to where I've learned to actually carry this, even just if it's for other people. I run an inhaler. Flip the page and you get into the more preparedness, high calorie, dense protein bars, calorie bars here. A couple of things of drinking water, going down to some shelter. I do have an emergency bivvy and an emergency tent. So this is my personal bike, of course. This is my personal kit. This is what I run every single day. This isn't staged at all. So check out what kit works for you the best, and you can modify it however works best for your situation. Just make sure to have your first aid and throw a little preparedness in there. All right, take it easy guys. We'll see you on the road.